Okay.
The water good too.
Stop, you're scaring me.
Baby work.
Ollie, what are you doing?
Are you embarrassed?
Cats. I love cats. They're the best thing in my life.
Reggie, don't eat him.
Cheeseburger.
Meow.
Don't bite his tail.
How does one sleep in this position? I just don't get it. Excuse me.
No, he's gonna make it. Oh shit.
Big stretch. That is a good one.
He doesn't like the balloons when they're up. Achei de queijo.
You're not as much of a little demon as they thought you were.
Oh my god!
You apologize right now, Yeti girl.
He smells it.
Oh!
Under arrest.
Don't do it. I'm so vulnerable right here.
Hi. Oh, it's cold.
Meow. It's the second I get a...
It's gonna be awesome.
Can't wait. Just don't leave me your house, right?
Why do you do this?
Would you?
She will solve and give an chance.
Steven! I thought you were dead!
Cinder, no.
Meow!
Gitu tuh foto. Then my head hit the wall. Boom.
Ma'am, that is not ladylike. Oh.
Then my head hit the wall. Boom.
Hey. Look.
Niye bağırıyordu? Kaç kişiydiler? All right.
Girlfriend and I are gonna get dressed.
latest in your under Brian's tongue? I just don't want to look you up. No? Over.
Yo, Brandon.
Nothing there. What's wrong?
Hey.
It's pistachio ice cream.
To see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
Wait.
Izzy, are you stuck?
Naked. Yo, Brandon.
Oh my!
Thor. What?
So, mirror, stand on the wall. Please try to make me the coolest kid of them all. This girl with the hair better beware, cause everywhere she be, I'ma be there like. Hello, my name is Susie. That's Susie with the Z. And no, I didn't say Susie. Originality, my mom told me that I would be the coolest. Yeah, and if people don't like it, then they're.
Chippy chippy chapa chapa doobie doobie dabba dabba.
Oh, Percy.
He's not overeating. I know that. Look at.
Nice, Ron.
I sneezed all
Wait.